This 2021 Mazda CX-5 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Mazda is powered by Wacrush front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.5 L 152 engine, and has 7,181 miles. Discover your next adventure in a 2021 Mazda CX-5. Style, performance, and value await. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.